Hello and welcome to today's discovery session about fleet management. Drive smarter, manage better, unleash the power of fleet management solutions. So what is the solution of fleet management? It aims to efficiently manage all the operational aspects of the entire fleet under an organization or a client to control it. So it ensures that all vehicles and equipments are ready to use, they're well maintained, they comply with legal requirements, and by doing so, the system enhances the organization's efficiency, productivity, and the safety of both the fleet and its drivers. The larger organizations that manage fleet, they have challenges in ensuring that all vehicles and equipments have the necessary parts, the legal documentation is up to date, but also to ensure and promote an informed and comprehensive management approach, along with optimized control of the fleet and its underlying processes. This results in more efficient work carried out by the fleet management, drivers, and other users. In addition to management of all vehicles and equipment, the solution also carries a dedicated module for maintenance and repair processes, and also an application or a request of these vehicles. This comprehensive approach ensures that the organization can effectively handle all aspects of fleet management, maintenance, and its repairs. So let's have a look at the solution for fleet management. And in this solution, we're going to be seeing that we have the local menus on the left side, where we have the fleet, where we have all the vehicles, the cost, the distribution that it's associated with it, commissions, costs, maps, and also the requests that are being made for the different vehicles from employees or other staff. There's an integration menu also to import like kilometers or invoices for tolls, for example. There is a notification section where we can see there's a lot of different notifications that we can do, like overdue inspections or measurements, kilometers, policies for insurances that are about to expire as well. And then our master tables is where we can configure all our fleet, all the models, all the brands, all the fuel that the cars that we are managing use. But let's look at a record. The solution also have filters, as we're seeing, to identify the different assets. So I'm going into a particular vehicle, and the maker, in this case Nissan, the model, Almera, if it's diesel or fuel, the different types of fuel that you have. And right here we have a little more description about the car, the color, registration, the first time that it enrolled on service, if it's an automatic car or manual, also the security plans, if there's any inspection plans that we have, the different types of tires, the tolls, and these are collapsible, so you can add more characteristics or identifications or photos as you have from the different vehicles. If there are past causes or failures or particles that you had to change, they're also being able to capture here. And it's basically done by a request. So if someone requests a particular vehicle, you can search overall or by particular spot or place or a garage that you have. And on this case, we're looking for looking for requests that it was made. There's a number of requests, the date, the service, the justification, when is the start, so the checkout and check-in of the car. If there's any digital documents that need to be added also to the system, that can be added here as well on the application side. And we can see the history of the application as well. So let's look here at the option to see all the fleet in a calendar way. So I can check here all the requests that were made and the days and the timings that the requests were made. And we can see it in a visual ways using this interface chart. And so it makes it easier. In terms of costing as well, so if we can check and see, let's say, for example, for this particular vehicle, we can track how much kilometers it was done and was the cost and if there was a toll or not. So for each service that was performed by this particular vehicle, you can check all the cases, all the different requests and all the different times that the vehicle was requested and used. We can also check more details, like if there's any parts that need replacement, or if there are other assets associated with that vehicle as well. There's also a component for the decommission of the vehicles as well, when they've passed their time and we need to send them off, and there's a lot of reports to help you in that process as well. There's a lot of different association of costs that you have, like parking or policies or costs with inspections, EOVs. So you have all these different types of requests. In regards to integrations, there's some specific and some custom-made integrations with external parties. Those are normally to import like kilometers or gas points from the gas suppliers. And then going back to the notification, just to give you an idea, the different types of notifications that you can actually create on the system. Some are pre-built, but others that can actually be configured with the client as well. And this was an overview of the solution itself. If you have any interest, make sure to drop us an email, go to our website, fill in the form, and we'll be happy to talk to you about better fleet management systems.